So first, what does a double sharp look like? It resembles a fancy X. Here's how it looks on the staff. The first note is a C sharp and the second one is a C double sharp. So what does a double sharp do? Well, it does what it sounds like. It sharps the note twice, meaning you move 2 half steps higher than the letter named note, or 2 piano keys to the right. So instead of C, you move up past C sharp to the key that we'd otherwise call D. C double sharp and D are enharmonically equivalent. They have the same sounding pitch, or you'd play them with the same piano key. So you might be wondering, why on earth would we ever need to do this? We could just use D rather than C double sharp, right? Well, you actually need to use double sharps in order to get all the letter names appearing once in certain minor scales. For example, in G sharp harmonic minor, you'll need an F double sharp to ensure you have some kind of F in the scale and you're not missing a letter. G sharp, A sharp, B, C sharp, D sharp, E, F double sharp, and G sharp. If we spell it as G and not F double sharp, we have G twice in the scale and no F at all. Major and minor scales, at least, can't be spelled that way. So double sharps will sometimes appear when their function is to go up 1 half step to a note that's already something sharp. Double flats. How about double flats then? Well, they are the same idea as the double sharp except in reverse. A double flat will indicate that you go down 2 half steps, or piano keys, from the letter named note. A double flat is written as 2 flats next to each other, like this. And here's how it would appear on a staff. So let's say we are in bass clef, since no clef is given here. That means this note would be an A double flat. What white key would that be equivalent to? Yes, G natural. So G natural and A double flat are enharmonically equivalent. In some situations, you will be asked to find the enharmonic equivalents for a double flat or double sharp note, like when you are transposing songs or pieces that need to be moved to other keys, or if you're simply playing them on the piano and each note has only 1 key. So we'll practice a bit of this in your homework. To cancel a double sharp or double flat and change a note back to a single sharp or flat in the same measure, all you need to do is stick that single sharp or flat onto the note. Old editions might do something like putting a natural before a sharp on the not double sharped note, but that creates a lot of clutter on the page, so modern editions will often just have 1 sharp in that kind of situation. Just for informational purposes though, here's what it looks like when an engraver puts the natural and sharp in front of a note to cancel out the double sharp. This is from Rachmaninoff's famous prelude in C sharp minor for piano.